Hey guys, we are back at our Shanty Flip House today and things are really moving. We have the guys outside doing brick and we have all of our sheetrock done, but we thought it would be so much fun to sit back and show you what's happened to get it to where it's at right now. So let's rewind the last few months. This is the garage wall and the master, okay?
And that area out there is actually the, that's where the bathroom is going to be.
For the master.
That's where the closet's going to be for the master suite. And then this is the bedroom part of it.
Okay, so where the plug is right there, that's going to be,
that would be
where the bathroom is, basically.
Yes, basically.
Okay.
And then about from the edge of that door that direction is about where the closet is. So it's a big closet, and a big bathroom.
Closet, bathroom for the master. Okay.
And above us right here is a hallway. Over here is a bathroom.
So there's a hallway right here.
Right.
And then directly above there will be another hallway for upstairs.
Yes.
Window's going to go away, and then there will be a bathroom in this corner.
Correct. Under that bathroom, which is nothing out there now, and it's on the other side of that door, is the other bathroom. And there's actually a toilet sitting out there.
This is the master. We're going to have big windows right there. We've got a little nook right here. Can't decide if it's going to be for a headboard or for shelving. And we've got to move this doorway over. Okay, this is where the stairs are going to be, right here. They're going to go up this side right here, turn, and come back up this way right here. All right, moving on to the kitchen. Yeah, because we want the guys to be able to work upstairs on the roof, so everything you see right now is going to be gone. We're not going to have a ceiling right here. That will be gone. Except for these right here, because we're trying to keep that gambrel roof. So this post is going to stay right here, and then we're going to go up here, and you'll see the new roof line the guys have built upstairs. So this is really holding the weight of that entire roof, basically. And this ceiling will go away, and you will see that roof line right there. If you can see how well right now, this temporary pole is holding the roof really well. So it's a good thing we put that one there. And then this wall will be gone. It will all be open. All of this will be gone. All of this will be gone. That, even the stairs are gonna be gone too. We're taking the stairs away.
Yes.
Back wall of the kitchen's right here. It's gonna go all the way up to the top of the roof line. And that's the back wall of the kitchen. Okay, so this is the living room. It's gonna be completely open. All of this wall right here is gonna be gone. You're gonna be able to see the front door. Ceiling will be gone too. Fireplace is gonna go all the way up to the ceiling. We don't know what we're doing with it yet. This still looks like what it looked like kind of when we came for our first update, because it's holding upstairs. We have to hold the upstairs up until it's done. This is our stairwell. It's gonna be a hallway going that way. So there's 2 bathrooms, 2 bedrooms, a bonus area, and a balcony. And then this will be the existing bedroom. So all of this will be gone right here. Stairs will be gone. This will be one wall going all the way up to the ceiling.
Yes, and you can put a wall here.
We're gonna put
banister.
this beam is gonna be exposed and wrapped. From here, you've got the gambrel roof. We've got the old trusses. We've supported them. These are gonna be covered in sheetrock. So you'll go sheetrock up to that beam and then sheetrock on that side. This is gonna be all open again to the ceiling, and we've got that fireplace running back up this way to the roof line. All right, here we go. We're walking into the front door. We're gonna have 2 big front doors side by side. All right, so we've got the second story opened up, and we used to walk in and have the stairs right here. You can see where this first step was on the stairs, and this was a solid wall right here. We walked up the stairs. That's gone.
All right, guys, so here is the fireplace. We have some really fun plans for this fireplace, but we're able to take it all the way up to the ceiling now, and we've exposed that gambrel roof, which I think that's my favorite part of this room.
That's going to be the selling feature of this house because there's not another house. It's so unique.
Mm-hmm, totally.
Okay, so because of that gambrel roof, we had this support right here that we had to leave in place, and the wall is right here for the front wall, but I love how it leaves this little opening right here in the living room.
And look how much natural light we have coming in from all 6 of those windows too, which is going to be awesome. Actually, 7 if you count that one.
So pretty.
All right, let's move into the kitchen, guys. So y'all probably don't even remember what this looked like before because it was covered in wood, but now we've got all those walls down and we have the whole entire kitchen exposed. So on this wall, what do we have planned, Ashley?
So this wall right here is going to be our stove right here with our cooktop. We'll have our cooktop and then the vent hood, and we've talked about doing like a fun brick treatment on this wall right here that'll go all the way up to the ceiling. You can see that's going to be a little opening with a railing right there. And then we'll have kitchen countertops all along here, big farmhouse sink right here. We're talking about doing some open shelving right here, and then the island is going to be right here. I'm kind of thinking too, we've talked about it, right here would be a really great spot for like a dining table, I think.
Oh yeah, that'd be awesome. So coming in from the front door right here, this was that existing room, but it didn't have this opening. We decided to open that up to double barn doors, and we're actually going to call this a flex room because it can be used as a bedroom, but it's also a great office space. It does have a closet, but you're able to close those doors if they have company or want to use this as a bedroom, but it would make a really awesome office too.
All right, so we're passing the kitchen. We're going into the hallway. We've got a great pantry right here. Now, this is our new stairwell.
Yay! So much light up here too, which I love.
And then underneath the stairwell, we've got a little added storage space. So right here, we've got a full bath. We've got a shower and a toilet. And then this is great for a guest bathroom. But it's also great if you need to use this as like a mother-in-law room. You have a full bathroom right off of it.
And moving into the master, one of our favorite rooms. We're super excited about this. Let's show them that one wall. For starters, we've got great ceiling lines in here, which is awesome.
So this actually has a little cut in right here. We're picturing the headboard being against this wall. It's got plenty of room for a king-size bed. We're gonna have cabinet storage on either side with doors that you can open and have little charging stations.
So fun.
Cool. I want one.
Big beautiful windows, and that leads into our master bath, which is nice and big. We do have double vanities in here, one for him, one for her.
Big shower.
Big shower. Great shower. And then walking into the closet, we have potty closet right here, and leading into our big closet for all the clothes.
Right here, right? Okay, so we've got the mud area right here. We're gonna have like a really cool storage locker system. Everybody needs that in their house now. It's like the new thing.
Oh yeah.
And then right here is gonna be the laundry room. It's plenty big for a laundry room. So awesome.
So much bigger than mine. All right, so let's walk up the new stairs.
This is so cool.
Heading on up.
I love this window at the top of the stairs. It lets so much light in the space.
And y'all can see at the top of here is where we're gonna have that railing that overlooks the living room. Kids are gonna love that space.
It's the perfect place to throw like darts over, like
Nerf gun wars.
Nerf gun.
Here's our first bedroom upstairs. It's a nice big bedroom. This is actually the one existing bedroom that we kept upstairs, which is pretty awesome. It's good size. It's crazy though, this used to be the edge of the house right now, and now it's like the beginning of the whole new house.
Yeah, that's a great visual.
Yeah, isn't that crazy? So walking down our new hall, extra little closet, 'cause we have lots of those. And here's our first bathroom.
Full bath, tub shower combo.
And there's another little potty closet. And then we have a little step up going into this second part of the house, which is just so awesome.
This part takes my breath away too.
I know. Let's go show them like the patio and stuff.
All right, so this is another flex space that has a closet. It could be turned into a bedroom if necessary, but it's more of a game room area. It's got big storage closets, and then it's going to have double doors leading out to that balcony.
Here's our second bedroom right here, and we've got the 2 windows, Got a great closet space on that side. It's a good size too.
Love this space. This is such a great use of extra space that had no rhyme or reason to it. We decided to turn it into kind of a little study for the kids to have a desk and some storage stuff. Great workspace.
Awesome. Coming around here, this is our second bedroom, this is our second bathroom upstairs. This one's gonna have a double vanity. It's got the full tub. We're gonna have a really cool tile treatment on that wall. Lots of space for multiple kiddos or people.
And then we've got a great storage closet right here.
And it's got the weird ceiling lines, but you know, most people wouldn't have turned that into something, and I love that we're able to use like every inch of space in this house. And our final bedroom.
This is a giant secondary bedroom. It's got a good closet. It's huge. It's almost as big as a master.
Those stand next to the wall so they can see how tall the ceiling line is.
So we decided to bump the wall up forward a little bit instead of using this existing wall, because we wanted to be able to maximize the use of both of the walls. If it was shorter, it's going to affect if we could put a headboard or a type of dresser. So this way it leaves both sides of the room open to whatever furniture we need to use. So the demo and the building back up took the most time of this renovation, but this is where things really started to move.
So we had the guys come in and do the plumbing roof and the electric roof.
While everything was going on inside, we had the roofers outside putting a new roof on, and we got that beautiful board and batten siding installed.
One of the biggest changes we added to this house was all new windows. We had those installed and immediately saw a huge difference. And y'all know how hot it is in Texas. We cut no corners with insulation. We had the entire thing spray foam insulated, and this place is going to stay nice and cool.
And it was so awesome to see that drywall getting installed, because then we could really see each room for what it was. So this house was originally 2,400 square feet. We knew that we needed to make it larger, and to do that we had to add a little bit of concrete to the pad.
So one thing we did was add a big, beautiful front porch. We have the guys here right now putting brick around the columns. We also added a back patio, and we added concrete to our garage to make that a big 3-car garage, and also put a house on top of it.
So that's where we got the extra 1,000 square feet. It wasn't as much in the concrete as it was building up.
How fun was that, guys? Look at where we're at now. So much progress has been done on this house. Be sure to subscribe. You do not want to miss another one of our videos, and we will see y'all next week.